AI generated videos are definitely better than you think nowadays, and Sora has definitely set the bar. Welcome to the future of video creation. Today, we're exploring AI generated videos and why they might be better than you think. The people in the video you just looked at are not real. It was generated with Sora AI, and the prompt for this video was a movie trailer featuring the adventures of a 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet, blue sky, salt desert, cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, vivid colors. To get started, you can go to Google and type in Sora AI. Click the link that appears first by OpenAI. So, what is Sora? Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. AI-generated videos have the potential to revolutionize industries like filmmaking, advertising, and education. They significantly increase efficiency in video production, allowing for faster turnaround times, reduced costs. The opportunities for innovation and creativity are endless. Look at this video, for example. It looks so real, from the walk to the reflections on the ground. There are some issues and weird pieces in here if you look close enough, but this is AI generated, and AI generated videos are still being refined. The prompt for this video was a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket and a long dress and black boots and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about, and this was the output from that prompt. So you're probably wondering, how do you use Sora AI? Pretty much they state, today Sora is becoming available to red teamers to assess critical areas for harms or risk. We are also granting access to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be most helpful for creative professionals. We're sharing our research progress early to start working with and getting feedback from people outside of OpenAI and to give the public a sense of what AI capabilities are on the horizon. So basically, it's only available to certain groups now that can use it, but it will be available to everyone at a later time. But let's keep looking at some more images and get into the downfalls of this type of technology. Here, you have a vintage-looking image with the prompt, historical footage of California during the gold rush. And again, it looks so realistic. Next, you have an SUV driving, and the prompt for this was the camera falls behind a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack as it speeds up a steep dirt road surrounded by pine trees on a steep mountain slope. Dust kicks up from its tires, and sunlight shines on the SUV as it speeds along the dirt road, casting a warm glow over the scene. The dirt road curves gently into the distance with no other cars or vehicles in sight. The trees on either side of the road are redwoods with patches of greenery scattered throughout. The car is seen from the rear, following the curve with ease, making it seem as if it's on a rugged drive through the rugged terrain. The dirt road itself is surrounded by steep hills and mountains with a clear blue sky above with wispy clouds. So again, the more detailed you are, the better the image and video prompts can be. And you can also do simple ones like the next one. This prompt is a tour of an art gallery with many beautiful works of art in different styles. And as you can see, it was still generated with just a simple prompt. But with all technology comes downfalls. This image is obviously not right where a man is running backwards. It's just not possible. So Sora AI does also raise concerns. There's ethical challenges to consider, including misinformation, copyright issues, and bias. There's also the potential for job displacement in the video industry because over-reliance on AI could also stifle human creativity. So it's crucial to approach this technology with responsibility and caution because it does make some very unrealistic images, and it also makes some very realistic images. But again, as we look, if you look closer, you can see this image is also not right because the dogs are passing through each other, and that's just not possible. This image also has a weakness, and underneath their caption it says an example of an inaccurate physical modeling and unnatural object morphing. And this just isn't right. And in this video, the hand movements are very weird if you pay attention closely. So as of now, developers are continuously working to overcome these challenges and improve the technology. And ethical considerations are also being addressed to ensure responsible use. So again, nowadays, AI generated videos are definitely better than you think in comparison to what some of the first AI videos looked like. And I cannot wait for it to come out to see what the future holds.
Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.